Hey, welcome back to Truck U. We are about ready to send Matt down the road, but before we do that, we want to make sure that he can see where he's going. So what we're going to do is pop on a brand new set of windshield wiper blades we got from PowerStop. These are their Power Clear windshield wiper blades. Now, if the name sounds familiar, it's because we use PowerStop brakes on just about every vehicle that goes in and out of here. You know, the thing is with windshield wiper blades, you don't really know when it's time to swap them out until you're in the middle of a 2,500-mile journey and you can't see. So we're going to take a preemptive strike and put the new ones on. Now, these wipers feature RealView advanced rubber technology for quiet, long-lasting performance. And the nice thing, too, they come in a package of two. Believe it or not, a lot of times windshield wiper blades only come as one, then you got to buy the other. And then it's kind of like a one-size-fits-all. You've got all these little adapters you got to play with. These are specific for your vehicle, and they've got them from all of them. So no little adapters to mess with. The right one is on. You pop them in place, and you are good to go. All we have to do is clean the windshield first with the little wipe they give us, and we can send Matt down the road. And they've also got this really cool little indicator right there. Like right now it's black, but what happens is as UV light hits it over time, it'll turn yellow, and if it turns yellow, it's time to put on new windshield wiper blades. Bam.